we do have our awning out on this coach right here. Few things with the awning I'm going to touch real quick base on. One, all awnings have a flap. That flap should be in the 6 o'clock or straight down position when it's all the way out. That's the proper location for it. Most awnings have some kind of pitching mechanism. This particular one has an arm on both sides that you can pull down to pitch the awning one side or the other for water runoff. Now the keys to this particular awning, if you're doing it this way, whether it's the front side or the rear, is to leave that arm down. And when you run it in, it'll actually adjust itself accordingly. So I'm going to press the button to retract it in. This will take just a second. But what will happen is this arm will actually straighten itself out as it goes in. The awning will not run in crooked or misalign itself or anything like that, but this arm will adjust itself accordingly. So when you run it in, you don't have to push that arm back straight or anything like that. Too many times we see that arm get pushed up too far and actually causing more damage than good. So if you do have an awning like this that you pull down on the arm to adjust the pitch, leave it the way it is. When it goes back in, it'll lock itself back out, goes in just fine. And when I run it back out, what you'll see here momentarily is that arm is now straight and right back in the position that it's supposed to be. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.